y'all. I'm Lori with Arkansas Yarn Company.
And I'm Lindsay with Always Yarn First.
Yes, and today we're doing a Sock Yarn Society unboxing. This is for the February 2023. Super exciting. It has a little bit of a theme in it.
Okay. Well, you know I love the yarn.
Yes.
Okay, let's do the card first, making sure there's no codes or anything on it.
No codes.
All right. Here's a cute little card. Cute.
Yes. One of the things that we're doing different this year is we're asking you to take pictures with it and share and tag us on social media. So we gave that information on where to do that here. And then we are also asking if you've loved your box to please help spread the word, because we want more subscribers, part of our Sock Yarn Society community. And we would love it if you would share the box and its loveliness with your friends so they can be our friends.
Okay. There it is.
It is so pretty. And I have, I've done a blue as our main portion of the color. And then there also is a very soft, light, lavendery. It's very, very pale in a couple of places, along with some conversation heart colors for the speckles.
You like these?
Yeah, we did a theme.
Of course.
The yarn is, let's give them something to talk about. So it's kind of a conversation theme.
That's cute.
I had these.
This is cute.
Yes.
Okay. Trying to get it like this.
So we did a little conversation heart, and in the Arkansas, we actually embedded little conversation hearts. And I had these hearts made just for us in our box. They're magnets.
I love
and
that.
the girl's name is Charity Holford of Charity Elise Designs on Etsy and Facebook.
And tea, of course.
Yes,
And
I
the
always
heart,
like the tea to go
which I will
and
eat
coordinate.
momentarily.
Yes, I mean, how can you not love Dove chocolates? So,
And a sticker.
and a sticker, Sock Yarn Society sticker. And then we listened. Lots of people asked us to put information cards in.
I do like that.
And we've been doing that so far.
Yeah.
And we have every intention of continuing with it. So we're giving you more information.
Yeah.
And it's so nice to be able to do that. And Jessica made these, and she did such a great job with the conversation hearts, keeping it on theme.
Yeah.
So love.
Yep.
I'm super excited.
it.
So I want it known that I did finish my blanket. I'm sorry, I did not weave in I have two ends.
The knitting is
And
done.
I haven't, but I'm completely finished with it. And it is so beyond gorgeous.
Yeah.
I have it doubled because it's just massive. It's massive.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I finished my
I have
blanket.
mine folded over my bed right now.
I want to do that. I have a guest room that has 2 full-size beds in it, and I want to use my leftovers from 2022's collection and make another kind of to match so that I can
That'd be
put them
cute.
across those beds.
Yeah. Then I can use it when I come over.
Yeah, but you have started your new blanket. I have not started my new
have.
blanket yet.
So I'm doing the Chevron Fade. This is just gonna be like a little throw on the edge of my bed. So here's my blanket.
I love it.
So yeah, this is a free pattern, so I'm not giving any information away. But in this pattern, she has basically 17 of those panels. So I decided to do 12, one per month, obviously. And so I made mine just a little bit wider than the stitch count she calls for. And then I have the Silent Service color and sparkle also around. These are all held double, and I just have it around. And so once I do this month's, then I will connect them also between in the blue.
That's gonna be so pretty.
So, and I've decided, I told Lori that to remember which month is which, I will keep the extra progress keeper. I'll put this on my February, the Be Mine, so I remember which one it is.
So one of the things that people have been doing, and they have been taking the Arkansas Progress Keeper that we make in-house, they've been taking it and putting it on a bracelet.
Oh, nice.
And they're having a little charm bracelet
that'd
with
be
it.
fun.
I
do have
think
a ton
that's
of 'em.
so cute.
Yeah.
Y'all, I am so amazed, but people, I think their favorite part of the entire Sock Yarn Society is what this is, and you and only 165 other people have this.
Right.
I mean, right now we don't sell them.
That is a big, of course the yarn is always good, but let's face it, I have so much stash. I don't know, if it wasn't for me doing this, it would probably sit in my stash for a while, where this is small, doesn't take up much room, and I can see them all. And so it's nice collection, and yeah, it is serious FOMO if I don't get. Anytime I walk around in the store, I see if there's a different color I don't have, and I'm like, what's this for? Like,
she's like, I don't have this one, I want this one.
It's, you gotta get them all. You gotta collect all the colors.
We're being twins today. We're wearing pink. Lindsay finished her sweater that I dyed this yarn just for her, and I'm gonna try to steal this sweater
I
later.
finished it last night, so it is not blocked. It is literally fresh off the needles.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good, Lindsay.
It's
the
so bright.
sleeves.
It's so
I
good.
love everything.
It's called the Lawrenson, in case for those of you want to know.
It's called the Lori sweater.
I did wear another sweater here, so Lori could try it on.
She did, and I'm going to.
Yeah.
So, and then I told her that possession is 9/10 of the law, so good luck getting it off of me. So, I'm excited.
That's fine. That she would just need to replace a sweater quantity of yarn. So I mean,
which I can totally do.
Either way, I'm a winner.
And so am I.
So I'm okay with it.
Yes. Hey, I think we have a little bit of unfinished business from 2022. The knit along, or the make along. I'm sorry, it was the make along. That ended at the end of January.
Yes.
So
for the Chevron year itch.
For the Chevron year
over.
Itch. Yes. And
Lori made it in time.
I did. I finished it. Well, I finished it in two weeks before the deadline.
Good job.
Yeah.
You were close running out of your other colors of yarn too.
I was like, oh, the very end. Let's see if I can show you. The very down here, I literally ran out of this color. It's supposed to have two, and it only has one. Actually, it was supposed to look like this.
Yeah.
And this is 2 rows. And I only had literally about that much left over, so I squeaked out one row purl, 1 row knit.
Yeah.
And Lindsay's like, oh, I wish I had known. I would have given you what I had left over. And I was like, oh no, it's okay. I got to get this finished.
Yeah.
So yeah, I got it finished. I'm very proud of myself.
Very good.
I love that we're doing this make along.
Yes. Yes.
So we're doing it again. And the only criteria is it has to be a blanket. It's called #nothing but double. And that means you have to hold your yarn double.
It can be 2 different yarns. It could be a mohair and a fingering.
Yes,
you know,
but you have to hold it double.
You have 2 yarns.
But that's kind of fun. So when I gave the last month's Sock Yarn Society, everybody got a purple mini, which was called Kate Spade, and then they got the Louis Vuitton full skein, with the intention, if you wanted to join our make along, you could hold them double.
Yeah.
And so, and then likewise, with my blanket, I'm going to do the Stephen West melting Marl blanket. And so I will use those 2 colors, and then I will drop my purple and add in this color. And then I will knit with the 2 colors, and then next month I will drop the January color and then knit with this one and March's color.
That'll be nice.
So it's going to be really pretty. The melting of it is going to be gorgeous. So,
and I'm just holding the same yarn double because I like to extra appreciate, I will never get this yarn again. So I like the yarn to shine by itself.
It looks so good.
So
the speckles make my heart super happy.
Yeah.
I love the speckles. But we have a winner for the
finished objects
Chevron,
thread,
the Chevron
Year
Itch.
Yep.
Yes, and the winner is Cecilia McLeod. And so I'm super excited. She also did a blanket that she did my pattern, or no, I think she did your pattern.
But she used the Sock Yarn Society box.
She used the entire Sock Yarn Society box, and she used the pattern you were doing.
Yep.
So absolutely beautiful. We're so excited that you're joining us on this journey of another year of a make-along. Blanket make-along, throw blank-along, blanket. It's so fun.
Unboxing, whatever. We're just happy you're here. Whether you're making a blanket or not. But also, why not?
It makes our hearts happy that we get to do this.
Yeah.
At least once a month.
I mean, honestly, if nobody else was doing it, we would just keep making the videos.
Yes, because I love her. I love her. She's my best good friend.
Mm-hmm.
You are. So
I brought you goodies today. So.
She did. I'm so excited. I'm starving to death. So she brought me this oatmeal cake that she makes that I love.
Yep. Yeah. I cooked it yesterday just for Lauren.
I know. I saw.
Yep.
You're so good to me. Thank you so much for joining us with our unboxing. I hope you enjoy your conversation heart themed box. I don't normally make them.
And tag them.
Tag us. I would like to say I don't normally make it a holiday theme.
Yeah.
But I could not resist.
But I celebrate holidays, and this is just cute. I mean, I'm totally using this. This is adorable. I love it.
I just couldn't help myself this time doing it.
You don't make it so heavily holiday themed that if you didn't celebrate whatever holiday, it would be like, well, that's a waste.
I didn't, and that's why this is blue instead of so pink and purple, because I really didn't want it to feel. I want you to look at the yarn and think that is beautiful. I don't want you to think that is beautiful Valentine's. So I really work hard on making it not. While some of the extras feel themed on like a holiday, which I don't try to do, I wanted it to feel like you could use that yarn anytime, not just with a Valentine project. So anyway, thank y'all for joining us. It's so much fun.
All right, we'll see you next month, everybody.
Next month.
And we do have still for this year's blanket, there is already Ravelry on Arkansas Yarn Co.
Yes.
Go to the Ravelry and then just use the hashtag on Instagram.
Yes. The hashtag is
nothing but double.
That's right. I love it.
Yep.
It's fun. Thanks for joining us. Y'all have a really great day. Bye, y'all.
Bye.